Hi everybody, my name is Victor Macario. I'm a business administration student. I'm finishing my degree in Spain. I found that WhitePress was really fitting my preferences. It was digital marketing centered. So my main expectations is to get really relationship with many people from other countries, because I heard it's a multicultural company. Also learn a lot on other ropes about digital marketing, content marketing, SEO, all that stuff that I think is really important nowadays on the technology. So from the first day, WhitePress can offer you like a amount of theoretical knowledge about digital marketing, SEO, and so the big part of them is about SEO. But they also encourage you to put it in practice, like contacting clients in real time, managing their responses, creating content for their social marketing media.
Hello, it's Jelena, originally from Serbia, but I've been living and studying in Italy since 2 years already, where I'm currently pursuing my master's degree in global communications. And in WhitePress, I'm working as a marketing and sales intern. I have never before been in Poland. That I'm an open person. I already lived in 4 countries so far, and I enjoy challenging myself. I love working environment in WhitePress. It's so multicultural, international, and as I mentioned, I've been studying and living in different countries, in different universities. So basically, getting used to international environment was no issue for me. What I appreciate in here, the way we are treated, no matter because we are interns, we are not employees in the company, but we receive the treatment which is equal, right? The possibilities for professional growth. We are working with managers. We are in a constant contact with our clients. It means that we are trusted and that we, beside having experience, we are getting new experience by also being challenged at the workplace.
So my name is Aditya Bharadwaj and I study in Belgium. Right now I'm studying International Business and Management. For the WhitePress I'm doing content, marketing and sales internship. WhitePress was so fast, I got recruited in 2 weeks. I cracked the first interview and the second, and I got a mail just after 2 days that congratulations. The thing I learned, because as I'm working in Nordics and Baltic department, and I learn about how to approach the consumer, how to approach the publishers and marketers in different countries, because Nordics and Baltics consist of like 7 countries, and every country have their own like unique perspective, unique style of doing business.
My name is Mahmoud. I'm 26. I'm Tunisian. I'm digital marketing student. I'm a content marketing intern. My duties is like I do contact publishers, like email marketing, verify their work, check websites, check everything like is good, like SEO and everything. So WhitePress actually, it's you learn how to work like in a dynamic group, and actually you learn how to be responsible for your hours.
I'm Nicole, I'm 25, I come from Italy. I'm studying modern languages for international communication at the University of Padua in Italy, and I'm in my master's degree right now. I chose WhitePress because I was searching for an international company around Europe, but outside Italy, of course. I recommend Bielsko 100%. It's a very safe city. I feel completely safe when I go around, even if I'm alone during night, everything is fine. It's a very quiet city at night, but during the day you can find a lot of cafes where to go with your friends, with the other interns to have some chat together. WhitePress will help me for my future career because digital marketing is the actual field, is the current topic right now. So for sure it's going to help me, and then also it will help me to develop other skills related to the contact with the clients, but also the getting involved into a new environment.